Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Pusti from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada branch. Students, today is the second video lecture of the second unit of first chapter of stress management. Okay student, in the first class we have discussed what do you mean by stress, what are the symptoms for a stress. That means how do we know that we are in the stress. One of the American psychological person has given one of the suggest. We have discussed this type of thing. Today's class we are discussing that what management techniques, stress management technique. So student, there are the three techniques for easily avoiding the stress. So we follow that techniques, then we can free from the stress. Don't be thinking that one. If we follow this one, in the future, no any type of stress will be in our life. Stress must be there. It will be must. But to follow some of the techniques, using that technique, the stress can be free. If you are in the 50% stress, 40 or 45% stress will be free. Okay student? Now we will discuss that type of the techniques. There are three techniques, APA. One is what's called action oriented approach. E is the emotional oriented approach. Another A is the acceptance oriented approach. So student, action oriented. Is that clear on the stress? So student, suppose you are in the stress, then what type of the action you can do? For that, the stress will be free, some little bit, maybe fully stress free. For that, what type of the action can be done by ourselves? Is that clear, student? So there are different types of the action. You follow that one, you can do that one, different type of the action. For that we can easily free from the stress. First one is the students, self-confidence. From the beginning I am telling you, from the communication chapter, from the principle of communication chapter, now today's class also, if you are in the self-confidence, then you must be the stress-free. That means now I can do this one. Give me how much time you can do the work. Give me, I do this one. You directly tell to your management, sir, give me any type of the work, please give me, I will do this one. I can do, I must do. If you tell this type of the thing, that means you are in the self-confidence. Yes or no? Even once you are in the self-confidence, this type of the statements will be opened from your mouth automatically. That means once you do, it is automatically stress-free. Is that clear or no, students? The next one is the students, reduce noise. Which one is the very important, students? For this stress-free, first of all, reduce the noise. When you are listening the music in very high volume, you are in the what? Headache. When you are watching the TV with a loud volume, high volume, you are in the headache. Yes or no, students? That means when you are talking with a loud noise also, you are in the headache. Means you are feeling the head pain. So that means to reduce that noise, listening the music, that is not the bad, but in the slow volume. Talk with the others with a very slowly. Don't be talk with in an angry way. When you angry mood and when you are talking in the very loudly, then you see that one, what type of the face in your body you can easily watch. Yes or no, students? I am feeling that one. I am talking with a very angry way. That means once you are angry, your volume, mouth volume, talking volume automatically loudly. That means when your talking volume will be loudly, automatically you will be facing the headache. Yes or no, students? In the every situation, try to reduce the noise. In a very slow noise, do any type of the work, you see the stress will be the free. A little bit of the noise will be free, or maximum stress will be free. Is that clear on the students? Okay, students. The next one is the student time management. Time management. Okay, student. It is also one of the important factor for stress free. If I am giving some work to the students, do students within the 10 minutes. If you will not do immediate after 10 minutes, I am giving the next question. After 5 minutes again I am giving the next question. Some of the students are doing, but some of the students are not doing. That means that type of the student, those are not completed during the time, they will feel the stress automatically. That means you will think, I have not completed in that time, then how to solve all this type of the problem in that time? How to solve all type of the question in examination hour 3 hours? How to do that one? If you are not doing in the class hour, then how to write or how to attend my examination during 3 hours? Yes, no, student. So time management is also very important factor. That is the most one important of the techniques for free your stress. Is that clear or not, student? So students, that will try to do any type of the work on a time. That means when you get the bed from the morning, try to always do on a time. When you are going to the school or any type of the employees are going to the organization or bank office, and try to reach at the time. If you not in the time, one of the senior, they will tell, why today late? Give me the explanation. That means that is your stress. Once any of the higher authority person will ask us, give me the explanation, that is automatically you will face the stress. Is that clear enough, student? If you will be in the right time, no one can say why are coming so early. No one can say. But your higher authority can say once you late. Is that clear enough, student? So try to manage the time or try to do the work on a time. The next one, get a break. Students, one thing, when you are doing the work, so these are all under the action. At what time, what type of the problem will be faced? After facing the, don't do face the problem. What type of the techniques will be followed? These are all the actions. Is that clear? Get a break. Students, you are all reading in a school. After 3 classes, you are getting 1 break. Why? And after another 3 classes, you are in the leaving from school to our home. Yes or no? Why? Because if will not give the break, then what will happen? You will be in the headache. You will think how the time will be spending. You are always see the time. How much time has left. You are always seeing the watch or clock. Yes or no, students? You are always thinking that one. So for that reason, always be what? Take a break. Not only for the students, those are doing the work also. They are also taking the rest. They are also taking the break. Those employees are doing the work in any type of the organization. They are also getting the break. Because break is a such type of the techniques for which our mind, our brain will be refreshed. Yes or no? During the break hour, our elder brother, yeah, some are employees, they are taking the tea, they are taking some of the snacks. You all students during the break hour taking the food for what? For why? Because you will be free in your mind. If you will not give any type of the break, then what will happen? You will be automatically stressed in your mind. For that reason, always try to take the break at any type of the work. Okay, students. The next one is what? Create boundaries. Create boundaries means you create your limitation up to how much distance, up to how much level you can talk with others. Suppose I am the teacher, in my higher authority is my HOD. Of that, our in charge of that principal, then director. Yes or no? If I will not take any type of the outline boundaries, then what will happen? Suppose I am the new teacher. I am not feeling comfortable directly talk with the director, sir. Yes or no? I am free with my age person, yeah, just the senior person. Not directly talk with the director, sir, yeah, principal, sir. Yes or no, students? So you are the students. You first talk with your class teacher. You are really comfortable with the class teacher. Then subject teacher. Then in charge. Then principal. Like this. At your home also, such type of situation also will be there. Yes or no, student? The students, so be talking or to talk with others. First of all, create a boundaries up to how much levels we can talk, you do that one. Okay, student? If you follow this type of the action-oriented techniques, self-confidence, reduce noise, time management, get a break and create boundaries. If you follow this type of the thing, then you can be free the stress from your body. Is that clear, student? So this one is one of the technique for this stress management. The next technique is your students, our emotional oriented approach. Emotional. Okay. That means students, our emotional may be happy, may be unhappy. Yes or no, students? May be nervous, may be not nervous. Okay, students? So students, emotional. When you are the emotional for the positive way, that means there are different types of the emotional. Some of the emotional means one of the people, one of the student is crying, one of the student is laughing, one of the student is saddening, one of the student is happy, one of the student is playing. That means there are different types of the emotional. And those are in the happy mood, those are in the laughing mood, those are in the playing. So these are the what positive emotional, and those are all the positive emotional. Then what will happen? They will not take any type of the stress. If any type of the pressure or burden, any type of the pressure will be given to that type of the people, they will not take any type of the stress because they are always happy. They are always comfortable. They can do any type of the work in anywhere, in any place. Is that clear, students? That one is what always thinks positive. That means for the emotional, if you think negative, then you will be crying. You will be sad. If you will think positive, then you do the work with 100% accurate. No any type of the mistake. Is that clear, students? Okay, students. One of the techniques is ABC of the emotional oriented approach. That one is your students what? A for the adversity, B for the beliefs, C for the consequences. Okay, students? Adversity. Okay, students? That means in our life, students, so many stress, any type of the problem will be. happen in our what? Not daily life, in our life. Anytime, any situation, what type of the problem will be arise, we cannot say. So be strong on your mind, in your mind, to face that type of the problem. Then that is a what? Is that clear, students? So students, don't think that suppose I am riding the motorcycle. If you think after some time, if I will be accident during the crowding, how to ride the bicycle? If you think that type of the things, then what will happen? You must be accident. Yes or no, students? So that's why adversity means so many type of the problem will be arise. So to avoid this type of the problem. Okay, students? Okay. The next one is the student beliefs. Try to believe yourself. Before setting the work, you think adversity. That means any type of the incident will be happen. Try to believe that one. Try to believe that one. विश्वास करना ही पड़ेगा. Yes, that type of incident has happened. If that type of the incident has happened, then you have to believe. That means not be in the negative way, be positive way. If this type of the incident are there, then how to solve this one? How to solve that one? Take the suggestion, and if support will be necessary, give the support to the others. Is that clear to the student? Student, if any type of the problem will be arise, we believe and accept and do. Okay. Then consequences. If all after the belief student, then what? Do the work for the next stage. Okay, student. Once any type of the problem, you have to believe. If you are believing, then do the next step. For what? This type of the incident will be avoided, and I will be doing the work in the next. Is that clear, student? So this is our technique. So this is our emotional. Okay, student. The last technique of the stress management, that one is what? Acceptance. Students, in our life, some of the situation must be accepted. If you will not accept, then you will face the problem. You will be stressed. Yes, some student. If I have discussed already the action oriented, what type of action will be there? For what? For which the stress will be less? Or what type of the emotional positive will be there? You have to accept. And same also acceptance, students. Some of the acceptance, for that you will be the totally tension free. Stress means tension. How to tension free? Be confident. How to do this one? Okay, students. So first one is the diet, exercise, yoga. Do regularly. From the morning hour, do exercise. Do yoga. Because by the help of the yoga, your tension will be free. Your mind will be totally relaxed. You do that one, you know very well. Is that clear, students? So diet. If you are feeling I am very fat now, so what you do? Control your food. Take the less food. If you are taking the heavy food, take the less food. For that, what? You will be in the diet. If you will be in the diet, students, one thing you remember, if you will be in the fat, then what will happen? Always be the stress. Sweating, maybe the any type of the disease will be happen, and it will automatically pressure on your mind. Okay, students, so that's why dieting must be there, exercise must be there, yoga must be there. If you do this type of the thing, then what will happen? But you will be stressful. Okay, you have to accept this one. Then stop it out. Students, if you are in the tension, and those are the close friend of yours, try to talk with him or her. because I am feeling that one. If I am in the tension and I am sharing with the others, my close friend, okay, it will be the free, because maybe they can give any type of this searches. For that, it will be help for us. Yes or no, student? So I am telling that one word, talk it out. That means if you are in the tension, any topic matter, if you are in the tension, we share with your close friends, your brother, your sister, your father or mother. You see, any type of the subjects they can give us and do apply, may also help to accept that one. Okay, students? Sleep, that means sleeping. Students, in the night hour, don't do any type of the work. In the night hour, fully rest. Means minimum 6 hours we have to sleep for free the brain. If you not sleep, in the day hour you are doing the work, in the evening hour you are doing the work, in the night also you are doing the work. If all time you are doing the work, ultimately it will be in the stress, ultimately it will be in the force, ultimately you will be in the tension, pressure. So be tension free, be stress free, try to sleep in the night time 6 hours minimum. Is that clear, students? If you are sleeping continuously 6 hours, that means once you are sleeping, any of the body part will not be work. Yes or no, student? That means your brain is totally free. If you leave the tension, neither you are sleeping, neither you have interest to take the food, for this type of thing. So during the sleeping hour, don't think any type of the situation, directly sleep. Okay, students. The next one is the student spending time with our family. Or when vacation time is starting, go and visit. Try to spend with your family. It will be given very happy to us. You think that one. Now it is our lockdown period. Yes or no? So many people are fully time. They are fully spending time with the parents. You see how much they are satisfied, happy. Yes or no, students? So students, if you are in the tension and when you are in the free, that time try to spend the time with your family, your son or daughter, our brother, sister, fathers, mothers, friends. Try to spend the time during our vacation period, winter season time. Go and move free your mind. If this type of thing, that means these are all the acceptance. You have to accept this one. If you will not accept, then you will be in the stress. Is that clear, students? So students, these are all the stress management techniques. If you follow all these type of the techniques, so student, you must be mental free, tension free, stress free. Is that clear, students? So student, in this way, I am completing this chapter, stress management technique. Okay, students. Now you see that one, watch this one, and do the exercise question, and show me. Will be discuss that exercise question. Okay, student. Thank you. Bye bye.